We're starting to get settled a little bit. Exciting times, but I did notice something once we moved in. The asbestos guys cut the carpet a little bit short, so we have a bit of a gap. Luckily, I found some spare carpet in the crawl space, so we can use that to patch it up. If you have a section of carpet that got dirty or that you need to replace, check closets, check your crawl space, check your basement to see if there is extra lying around that you can use, because it's a really easy tool to just patch this up. The first thing you want to do is use some needle nose pliers to remove staples and screws left over from the previous carpet. Let's see what we got. So if you were going to be laying carpet on your stairs for real, you would, use these little, I don't even know what they're called, the little strips with nails coming out of them. I should look up the name. And this like under mat to make it a little bit more comfortable. But I'm gonna try to use a shortcut with some tape. I am gonna use this heavy duty double-sided tape. It says that it can be used for carpet to patch up this stair. I pulled back the carpet to reveal the underside and then put the double-sided tape along the edge and the area where I'm gonna be patching. Next, I removed one side of the double-sided tape. I'm going to do this in sections to just make my life easier. I then spread out the carpet and used the staple gun to hold it down and use the hammer to push down any staples that were sticking out. Now that the tread was secured, I moved on to the patched area by removing the other side of the double-sided tape and fitting in my pre-cut piece of carpet into the gap and pushing it in there with my creaser, secured it in place with the staple gun, and used my hammer to make sure that all the staples that were sticking out were pushed back behind the carpet. You can use some scissors to trim up any loose ends or strings that are sticking out. Not only was patching the carpet super easy and inexpensive, it looks great. I honestly can't tell the difference between the new and existing carpet. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more home DIY.